Welcome! In front of me I have Garmin Forerunner 970 and I'm gonna show you how to unpair this watch from the Android phone. So unpairing the watch from the phone could be useful if, for example, you want to pair it with another device, or maybe you want to give it away to somebody, the watch I mean, or sell it to somebody, and that basically allows you to do it. Or I mean, you can do it if you don't unpair it, but if somebody wants to pair it with different account, it would be complicated. So basically, that's what you need it for, to connect it to different device, or maybe you want to give it away or sell it to somebody. And to unpair the watch, open the Garmin Connect, tap on More, tap on Garmin Devices, find the watch on the list and tap on it, then tap on the More Options icon in the top right corner, tap on Remove Device, and tap on Remove. You will see this pop-up. You can tap on Settings, it will bring you to the Bluetooth settings, and here you will see your Forerunner on the list of previously connected devices. Tap on Settings, tap on Forget, and tap on Forget. And at this point the watch is unpaired from your phone, and that's how you unpair this watch from the Android phone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.